thanks for coming to hang out with me today. For today, I'm just gonna go and run a few errands and stuff, and about to take my truck to get it washed and down the car wash around the corner. Then I'll come back, change, and we'll go out and shoot a couple of videos. I was shooting videos yesterday. Actually, I'm gonna go back to the same spot that I was at yesterday and shoot, because I couldn't get some footage that I wanted and stuff. I ran out of my battery, and for some reason, when I was flying the drone, I guess I didn't have a big enough card in there, so it was actually only recording for like 8 seconds. So just making sure I got everything for my truck when I go and wash my car and stuff. I hate going down there. I'm just really going to rinse it off and stuff because it's not really that dirty. So I'll see when I get down there. But I'm taking you guys along for the ride today. I'm gonna make this probably be a short video. I really just want to get some footage in as far as stuff to let you guys see what I go through, and making a video, and hopefully I can get some of that footage in there too. Gotta show you guys old truck here. Everybody always asking me, why you call your truck Bullseye? Well, this is why here. When I got this truck and stuff, when the guys was telling me that I guess it was some kids, he had it outside, and I guess they must have shot it with like either a BB gun or a pellet gun, and the holes are still in it. So I said, you know what, that's pretty cool, and since I'm gonna leave it kind of patina and stuff, I'm not gonna have a show truck. I mean, to me it's a show truck, but I said I'll leave that in there, and it gives it some character. So I'm gonna ride down here, and it's not that far to the car wash and stuff, and get our day started. My days normally start around 7 o'clock in the morning. See if I can do this with one hand. It's kind of hard to do stuff with one hand. I'm working with it, guys. I always thought it was a cool feature. I got some pretty cool features on here that I actually got on this truck. And like I said, when I was building it, I said, I'm gonna build my truck the way I want to. I don't really care what people say or think, because people got opinions about everything, and I tell you, which is fine. It's good to have opinions. All right, I'm back. I got disconnected there for a moment. But like I was saying before, everybody got opinions about how they want or how the truck should be, and they never build a truck or don't even have a classic truck. So, but that's fine. I like opinions and stuff. People say, oh, man, people are so negative and stuff. Well, I don't think that it's really trying to be negative. It's probably how they would have built it if they had a truck. So they're probably just making comments like that. So I mean, once I get to the car wash, I will try to turn it back on. I know you guys seen people wash cars and stuff before in trucks. So, but anyway, like I was saying about Bullseye, I got like a lot of cool features, like which I'll go over this truck. I do a full truck review, and it's challenging, trying to get content out and everything, and especially when you work full-time and you own a business, you know, and you gotta keep that business going. And now is a very hard time because of this coronavirus, you know, pandemic, and it's really bad. So I want to give a shout out to all of the people that's working, keeping the grocery stores open, keeping essential businesses open. I also want to give a shout out to all the military members, people that are serving their country. I'm a veteran, a 20-year veteran. I was in the Navy. So I want to give all my shipmates a big thumbs up out there. And that thumbs up is for all the branches, but I'm giving it to my shipmates as well that I served with over the years and stuff. And actually, I was on a lot of amphib ships, so most of my, you know, buddies and stuff that I came close to are Marines. So big shout out to you guys as well. You know, in my so I know it's hard being on a ship, and I was on a ship pretty much, I say majority of my career. I was a ship serviceman and supply. So and I explained about that as well. So, but we're about to pull up here at the car wash. I'll turn you guys back on in a few. Costs $1.50 there. I remember when car washes used to be a 75 cents. See, we're gonna just do I don't put the brush on it. I do soap first and then I'll put it on rinse, but I don't put no brushes on my vehicles. And I really don't like to use this, but when I'm in, like normally I wash my car at the house, and this, you know, I actually use that little wiper there. I forget, it's like a sponge. This little mechanism right here to start washing. Like I said, it's not really that dirt. I'm just trying to wipe off all of the grime and stuff. I also like to get back up in there by the calipers. People don't realize it gets dirty up in there. You don't clean it, the stuff gets really nasty. So every time I clean the wheel, I always try to clean the back just as good as I clean the foot. Alright guys, we are finished washing the truck now. about to head back to the house. And like I said, I'm gonna go back and pick up my wife. She said she actually wanna ride with me today. It's such a nice day today. So we're about to head back to the house. I'm gonna put a change of clothes on and wash up real quick. And then we're gonna head out and take you guys with me. And we're gonna hit some spots that I hit yesterday when I was shooting some intros and stuff for my series I have on YouTube called The Build. And so y'all guys check those videos out. Alright guys, I'm back. Now I'm about to head down to the racetrack and to places where I took my videos on yesterday. Like I was telling you guys, I got the missus here with me, and like I said, you know, she does not like to be on camera. So got out here shooting footage for my drone. I got my wife behind the camera here, and I'm just gonna, because like I said, I lost a lot of material yesterday. You can see it's actually pretty steady back there in the background. I'm gonna get a picture of the good place to live in Bristol, Virginia, and stuff, and I'm gonna take different pictures of the truck. And then I will get back with you guys once we go downtown to the mural and stuff for Dale Earnhardt and Richard Petty. I'm out. Alright, so we just got down at my shop now, and I'm going to finish taking this video that I, like I said, messed up yesterday. Hopefully everything works out good. Not a lot of traffic down here right now, so I'm getting the drone out the back of the truck. I'm going to walk across the street here and show you what we got going on. It's pretty neat here. They actually filmed the Geico commercial here, if you guys remember. And the Geico commercial was about being in 2 states at one time. And you see these little things here. Alright guys, so far so good. Just got to doing the drone shoot over my shop. Now we're heading to the murals of Dale Earnhardt and Richard Petty. Alright guys, that's where we're heading over to the racetrack. That's the Bristol Motor Speedway. So I will turn you guys back on whenever I start filming. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Just got through doing my last photo shoot at Bristol Racetrack, Motor Speedway. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Of course, you guys know that my name is CJ, aka the Cigar Man. And like I always tell people, smoke them if you got them.